Did you know that after age 60, your body naturally produces less of the compounds? That's one reason so many people wake up and support deep sleep. That's one reason so many people wake up stiff, sore, and tired, even after spending nighttime drink made from a spice sitting in your kitchen right now could help support both better sleep and easier movement in the morning. And here's the surprising part. Most people use it completely the wrong way. Stay with me because the simple preparation method makes all the difference. If you've noticed that getting out of bed feels harder than it used to, or that falling asleep isn't the problem, but staying asleep is, you're not alone. Millions of adults over 60 deal with restless nights, stiff knees, aching fingers, and morning discomfort. The good news? Some traditional remedies are now attracting attention from modern researchers. One of them is an ancient clove elixir. Now, this isn't a miracle cure, but studies suggest that compounds found in cloves may support healthy inflammation levels, antioxidant defenses, and overall relaxation. And when combined correctly, many people find it becomes a calming nighttime ritual. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to prepare it, and the common mistakes that can prevent people from seeing any benefits. And don't miss the final tip because it's the one most people completely overlook. Tip 1, the power hidden inside a tiny clove. Let's start with what makes cloves so special. At first glance, they're tiny, easy to ignore. But inside each clove is a natural compound called eugenol. Researchers have studied eugenol for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Why does that matter? Because as we age, the body experiences more oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress like tiny amounts of wear and tear happening every day. Over time, it may contribute to stiffness. Discomfort is simply part of getting older. But here's what most people don't know. Supporting the body's natural recovery processes may help you feel more comfortable and mobile. How to use it: take 3 to 5 whole cloves, play them in warm water, let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes, drink it about an hour before bed. Imagine Susan, age 67. Every morning she would sit on the edge of the bed for several minutes before standing because her knees felt stiff. After making warm clove tea part of her evening routine, she reported feeling more comfortable when starting her day. Results vary, of course, but many people enjoy the soothing ritual itself. After a few days, you may simply feel more relaxed at bedtime within 2 weeks. Some people notice improved comfort during everyday movement. After a month, the habit becomes easier to maintain and may support overall wellness. But that's only part of the story. The next benefit surprised researchers the most. Tip 2, the sleep connection. Nobody talks about. Many people focus on sleep quantity, but quality matters just as much. Have you ever slept for 8 hours and still felt exhausted? This is where things get interesting. Cloves contain plant compounds that may help create a calming environment for the body. Several studies suggest that antioxidants can support healthy brain and nervous system function. Now, pay attention to this part. The goal isn't to force sleep. The goal is to help your body feel ready for sleep. That's a huge difference. Many people drink coffee late in the afternoon and then wonder why they're awake at midnight. Even a small amount of caffeine can affect sleep quality in some adults. 1 hour before bed, turn down bright lights, avoid scrolling on your phone, drink your warm clove infusion slowly, take slow breaths while sipping. Picture yourself sitting quietly after dinner, no television, no phone, just a warm cup in your hands. That simple routine sends a powerful signal to your brain. It's time to rest. After a few nights, you may find it easier to unwind. Within a couple of weeks, many people report more refreshing mornings. And speaking of mornings, there's another reason this elixir may help. Tip 3, supporting morning mobility. Have you noticed that your joints feel worst when you first wake up? Many people miss this completely. Joint stiffness often feels more noticeable after long periods of inactivity, like sleeping. Researchers believe that maintaining healthy inflammation levels is one factor that supports comfortable movement. Cloves contain natural compounds that have been studied for this exact reason. Again, this is not a treatment or cure, but it may be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Pair your evening clove drink with a simple morning habit. When you wake up, rotate your ankles, move your shoulders, step gently for 2 minutes. That's it. Think about a rusty garden gate. The first movement feels difficult, but after a few swings, it moves more freely. Your joints often respond in a similar way. Within days, morning movement may feel easier. Within weeks, many people feel more confident staying active. And activity itself is one of the best things you can do for long-term mobility. But wait, there's one preparation mistake that ruins everything. Tip 4, the biggest mistake: most people boil cloves too aggressively. And that's a problem. Why? Because excessive heat can affect some delicate plant compounds. Instead, use warm water. Let the cloves steep naturally. Patience matters. 3 to 5 whole cloves, 1 cup warm water, steep 10 to 15 minutes, strain if desired. Drink slowly, no expensive supplements, no complicated recipes, just consistency. And consistency is where most health benefits come from, not perfection, consistency. But the final tip is the secret ingredient that ties everything together. Tip 5. The evening habit that multiplies results. Here's what many health experts agree on. No single food changes your health overnight. Habits do. The clove elixir works best when it becomes part of a complete evening routine. Many adults spend the last hour before bed under bright screens, phones, tablets, televisions. This can interfere with the body's natural sleep signals. Drink your clove tea, dim the lights, write a few pages of a book, practice gratitude, take slow breaths. That's it. Simple, sustainable, powerful. Imagine two people. One spends an hour scrolling social media before bed. The other spends that hour relaxing with a calming nighttime routine. Who do you think wakes up feeling more refreshed? Small choices create big results over time. After 1 week, many people feel calmer at bedtime. After 2 weeks, sleep quality often improves. After 1 month, healthy habits begin to feel automatic, and that's where lasting change happens. So let's recap tonight's ancient clove elixir strategy includes using 3 to 5 whole cloves, steeping them in warm water, drinking the infusion about an hour before bed, pairing it with gentle stretching, creating a relaxing nighttime routine. Remember, the real secret isn't the cloves alone, it's combining simple science-backed habits consistently. That's what helps support better sleep, easier mornings, and a more active lifestyle after 60. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which tip surprised you the most, and which one are you going to try first? Leave a comment below. If you care about your health and want simple science-backed habits that actually work, subscribe now and turn on notifications. And in the next video, we'll explore another traditional bedtime ingredient that researchers are studying for healthy aging, improved energy, and better recovery. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.